Okay, so I'm going to do the lab for the trash. Now, I did not collect much trash today as one of my classes I went to the A-State women's game. So this is honestly all the trash. I didn't even bother using a trash bag because there was not much to use. Give me 1 second, I'm trying to open up the lab again. Alright, I apologize for this. Okay, so now first, again, collect all the garbage, estimate the volume. Honestly, all it really was just this little styrofoam right here. Excuse me, I'm making the background. It was just this, Diamond Lightning can, a vitamin water bottle, and this trash bag that I threw away. So honestly, not much at all. I guess I technically could. There we go. I'll do this. Do it over here because that's going to be hot. So use the dirty dishes. So what is the total weight? Use different. Here we go. Use pounds and ounces. So let's see. I still have a little bit of food left in here, so let me dump that out real quick. Alright, so dump the food. Let's see. I guess I'll just do everything on top of each other. So, looks like in total, oh, I didn't full pound, looks like just 1 ounce, 1.2 ounces. Yeah. So honestly, not too much trash to use. I can't really compact it because again, this is all that was used today, so it's not much. And then I also wrote down how much plastic I used today. Again, didn't use too much just because I went to this A-State game, and then after that I just played my video games for a little bit. So honestly, like 10 a.m. I just short shower, but you know, use the shampoo bottle. I use a body wash bottle, so those, you know, all have plastic. Toothbrush. Again, not gonna wrap every single one on there, just it would be way too much. At 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I was at the women's basketball game, so the only real plastic thing I could have used would be my phone. 2 p.m. I actually won a free Guthrie's box, so the only, I know it's not plastic, but the only thing I really used was the food container. And then from about 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. You know, again, it's just phone, and then I went home, relaxed, played on a PlayStation, so I used my controller, which that's, you know, made of plastic. And that is honestly really about it of the plastic items. And oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to categorize my food. So I know the glass paper, so these styrofoam. So I guess that would technically be considered food. And then, you know, the cans, so it's kind of not really plastic, but this category would be plastic used. Make sure I'm not missing anything. And I did do a little bit of research on the other country and how they handle their garbage. So I was able to find out through my research, which I have another phone, I was able to find out that China produces roughly 1,000 to 20,000 pounds, so rough estimate about, I'll probably say 10,000, we'll say just 10,000 pounds every day. So total up to about 120,000 pound or 20,000 tons per year, while the U.S. Is 268 million tons of waste, which on here, you know, 140 goes to landfill. So obviously in this one, you know, China does a lot better job with recycling. I'm not gonna go into too much detail about it, but they do a much better job than the United States does. And yeah, it looks like that's about it. So yeah.